welcome to the Moose Lodge. Enjoy tonight's. Thank you, Ashley.
Accepted this responsibility, I declare you the official 2020 Castro Valley Eden Area Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors.
Good evening, Castro Valley Vibe. This is your host, Robert Pace. We are here with the president for 2020 for the Chamber of Commerce, David Gerke.
2020.
New president, baby.
Thank you.
David, what does it mean to you to be the president of the Chamber of Commerce?
Well, I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to getting people together, to getting businesses together, to grow our businesses, to make a difference in Castro Valley.
That's great.
I want to get the Eden area, the San Lorenzo community, the Cherryland community, get us together, working together, more involved in community affairs, events, getting the businesses out and into the street, and promoting business.
Well, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
We look forward to your work here. The dinner tonight is for this big man here. So congratulations again. We love your Castro Valley Vibe. You can check the description below check us out on Facebook and all the social media outlets. Thank you again,
Robert?
and go hit the pavement running.
All right.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.